Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to stop Instagram from compressing photos. So let's head over to our Instagram to see if our fixes work. So once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile. It might take a while to load due to internet connection, or you can directly go to the plus icon and then host any picture you want. Suppose I'm gonna post, you're gonna see how to store a lot of saying videos. For that, I'm choosing a picture, let's say this picture, and then tap on next. And here you'll find the option of ratio. So you can upload it in 4:5 ratio or in the JPEG or JPEG format and keep the size under 8 MB and then tap on next and make sure you have strong internet connection. Give or add a music or add a caption if you want, add any hashtags, change the audience if you want, and then tap on share. And yeah, this is how you can stop Instagram from compressing photos. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.